Welcome to today's exploration into the world of technical SEO, where we unravel the intricacies of optimizing your website for search engines. In this video, we will delve into the fundamental aspects of technical SEO, understand the concepts such as crawling, indexing, and the critical link between them. Discover why optimizing your site from a technical standpoint is paramount in the digital landscape, and gain insights into the SEO best practices that can elevate your online presence. But before we move on with the topics, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. Now without further ado, let's get started with the first topic, that is, what is technical SEO? So technical SEO is like making sure your website is easy for search engines like Google to read and understand. Just like you'd organize a book with chapters and a table of contents to make it easier to navigate, technical SEO involves organizing your website so that search engines can easily find and show your web pages to people searching for information. This includes making your website load quickly, fixing any errors that might prevent search engines from reading your site, using special tags to highlight important information, and making sure your website works well on mobile devices. All of these things help your website show up higher in the search results and make it easier for people to find what they are looking for. Site speed is also crucial in this. Just as people prefer fast loading websites, search engines prioritize websites that load quickly. Fixing crawl errors is like repairing broken links in a book. It ensures that search engines can access and understand all the content on your website without any hiccups. Now, just a quick info for you. If you want to upskill yourself, master digital marketing skills, and land your dream job or grow in your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various digital marketing programs. Simplilearn offers various certifications and postgraduate programs in collaboration with some of the world's leading universities like SP Jain, Purdue, and Meta. Through our courses, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like search engine marketing, strategies for paid campaigns, analytics, ROI, and evaluation, and over a dozen of others. That's not all. You'll also get the opportunity to work on multiple projects and learn from industry experts working in top-tier product companies and academians from top universities. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into digital marketing role as a fresher or moved on to a higher paying job role and profile. If you're passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comments and description box to find a digital marketing program that fits your experience and areas of interest. Alright, now let's understand why should you optimize your site. So let's have a look at the first reason, which is improved search engine ranking. Search engines reward well-optimized websites with higher rankings. Technical SEO ensures that search engines can easily understand and navigate your site, contributing to better visibility and ranking. Next is enhanced user experience. Technical SEO is not just about pleasing search engines, it also improves the user experience. Fast loading pages, mobile responsiveness, and secure connections all contribute to positive user experience, which can impact your site's bounce rate and overall engagement. The next is competitive advantage. As the digital landscape becomes increasingly competitive, technical optimization can provide a distinct advantage. Websites that load quickly, are mobile friendly, and have secure connections are more likely to attract and retain visitors. By doing these, you can attract more organic traffic, enhance user engagement, and ultimately achieve your online goals more effectively. Now, coming to the next part, which is key metrics. So there are several key metrics that website owners should track to ensure their pages are optimized. These include site speed, mobile friendliness, crawl errors, index coverage, structured data implementation, and overall website health. Monitoring these metrics allows for identification of potential issues and the implementation of necessary improvements to maintain an optimized website. Alright, so this was about key metrics. Now let's move on to the next topic, which is crawling. So crawling is a process by which search engine bots, that is also known as spiders or crawlers, navigate the web, discovering and collecting information from websites. The efficiency of crawling directly influences how well search engines can index and rank a site. When a search engine bot visits a website, it follows links from one page to another, collecting information about each page it encounters. Though the technical SEO website owners can ensure that their site is easily crawlable by search engine bots. This involves creating a clear site structure, optimizing internal linking, and utilizing tools such as robots.txt and XML sitemaps to guide crawlers through the site efficiently. Next is indexing. Indexing is the process by which search engines organize and store the information collected during crawling. It's like the search engine's way of creating a detailed catalog of all the web pages it has found. A well-indexed site ensures that search engines can quickly retrieve and display relevant information to users when they enter a search query. This process is crucial for ensuring that the right web pages are shown to users when they search for specific topics or keywords. Alright, now this was about indexing. Now let's understand about crawling and indexing. Alright, so understanding crawling and indexing. So before search engines can answer a search query, they first go through the crawling process to find publicly available web pages to add to their index. This is like their way of discovering and collecting information from all over the internet. During the crawling process, search engines bots follow links from one page to another, discovering new content and updating their index with the latest information available on the web. Once the crawling is done, the search engine organizes, sorts, and stores the information to find it in the database, which is called the index. This index is like a huge library of web pages, and it's what the search engine uses to quickly find the right information when someone searches for something. During the crawling process, search engine bots also pay attention to the instructions provided in the robots.txt file, which tells them which page they are allowed to crawl and index on a website. Additionally, webmasters can use a no-index tag in the HTML code of a web page to instruct search engine bots not to include that particular page in their index. This allows website owners to control which pages are made available to users through search engine results. These mechanisms help website owners manage how their content is discovered and indexed by search engines. Alright, so this was about crawling and indexing. Now let's move on to the next topic, which is technical SEO best practices. So first one on the list is on-page optimization. So optimize your website on web page elements such as title tags, meta descriptions, headings, and image alt text to make it easier for search engines to understand the content of your web pages. So second thing, that is the second practice for technical SEO that you can do, is mobile friendliness. Ensure that your website is optimized for mobile devices, as mobile friendliness is now a crucial ranking factor for search engines. So this is another important factor. Now the third practice that we can do for technical SEO is speed. So improve your website's loading speed, as faster loading pages tend to rank higher in search results and provide a better user experience. The next is link building. So acquiring high quality backlinks from reputable websites to improve your site's authority and credibility in the eyes of search engines. This also works in many cases. Alright, now fifth is analytics and monitoring. Using tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance, monitor keyword rankings, and identifying areas for improvement. So this is another practice for technical SEO. Now sixth one is fix broken pages. So identify and fix any broken links or pages on your website. Broken links can negatively impact user experience and search engine rankings. Regularly check for broken pages and ensure that they are redirected or fixed promptly. Next is duplicate content issues. Avoiding having a duplicate content on your website, as it can confuse search engines and impact your site's ranking. Ensure that each page on your site offers unique and valuable content. Use canonical tags to indicate the preferred version of similar content and address any duplicate content issues. Alright, so excluding these duplicate content issues is also a very important factor, and it improves your SEO and site visibility. So, as we conclude our journey through technical SEO, we have uncovered the vital components that shape your website's visibility in search engine results. From the significance of optimizing your site to the mechanics of crawling and indexing, understanding these elements is key to a robust online presence. Armed with insights and best practices, you are now better equipped to navigate the dynamic landscape of technical SEO, ensuring your website not only meets but exceeds the expectations of both users and search engines alike. Alright guys, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.